One of the unsung stars of the home's various systems is plumbing. Think about it, you use your plumbing system in conjunction with kitchen chores like cooking and dishwashing, not to mention having drinking water, in the mudroom for doing laundry and the bathroom for showering, dental hygiene and more. And, until something goes wrong, the well quits working or the sewer lines get backed up, seep or burst, an area though is given to the plumbing system. Of course, when things go wrong, you can bet on it, they will occur at the most inconvenient time possible. So, what can you do to see that sewer repairs are kept to a minimum and life can move along? Keeping sewer repairs at a minimum is not nearly as difficult as one might think. In fact, it is done more by being proactive than by reactive. So, to help you be as proactive as possible in limiting sewer repairs, here are some tips. Whether you have lived in your house for some time or are merely considering the house as a new residence, it is vital that you have someone inspect the lines. This is especially helpful if you are considering a purchase, as you do not want to find yourself dealing with a costly sewer repair job. Typically, the home inspection required in buying a new home will check this, but it doesn't hurt to ask a plumbing, sewer professional to check as well. If you already live in the home, especially if it has been some time, take the proactive step of calling in an inspector to see if everything is as it should be. The cost of the inspection will be considerably less than any sewer repair, and keep it from being needed at some later inconvenient date. Never flush things down the toilet that do not belong there. Wipes, sanitary napkins, etc. are not designed to move through your septic system and cause thousands of dollars in sewer repairs each year. Do not pour grease or oils down the drain. These cause build-up and clog the system. Yes, you can use products designed to clean sewer lines, but it is better to never introduce the grease. In fact, some sewer repair specialists feel that these cleaning products are misleading, as people think that by pouring these cleaners down their drain, they have addressed and avoided any potential sewer repair needs, when in actuality they are only moving build-up from one location in the septic line to another. If planting any shrubbery or trees in your yard, be sure to steer clear of any septic lines. Roots cause significant to sewer lines as they will wrap around and try to burrow into the sewer lines. Taking these proactive steps can keep sewer repairs far away from your schedule. Yes, it might take a few minutes of time to dispose of grease, have that inspection or rethink where to plant the shrubbery, but in the long run, it is well worth it.